Alright, so I'm going to run you through a quick assembly guide for the quick clamp. So we're going to start here with our two screw holes. The middle screw hole does not matter, that's purely for alignment. And you're going to screw them in a little bit, but not all the way. You can see here they're just poking out. That'll help with alignment with the what we call the receptacle. And that's that piece right here. Because they're just a little bit out, helps with alignment, and then you screw those in part of the way. There'll be a little bump, as you can see here. That's how you want it for this part, so that it slides right on to your scooter frame. And then in this case, you can now tighten it all the way. Do not over tighten it. You want it to be really snug, but if you go too hard, the plastic could very well break. It is plastic threads, so you have to keep that in mind. Next, you're going to take this L-bar, put it onto that peg as you see there, and take one of your small bars and slide it in as so. Same with this spacer. Align it against that edge as you see. Take your handle and slide it in through the middle of that L-bar and align it with that back wall as you see. Now take your hollow joint, put it in the middle hole that you see there. And now you'll take your other small bar and put it on there. It should fit perfectly. And same with this joint. That one will go in the corner. That one is not hollow. And then you'll grab your cover plate and it should slide on very easily. And then you're going to grab another set screw and you're not going to drop it. You're actually going to screw it in to the top of the plate in the only hole that you'll see there. So now we're going to take the rubber pieces that you should have just cut, and you're going to take the larger of the two and put it on the stationary base piece and just stick it as so. Try not to get it in that corner too much so that it doesn't stop the clamp. And you'll take the smaller of the two, same thing for this one, just put it on the inside. Try not to get it too much in the corner, and that will help a lot with just the clamping in general. Then you'll take this thumb screw and you can screw it in to that farther back location right there, and that will fully lock your clamp. That will be what you use when you're mobile, and then when you're ready to undo the clamp, there you go. Now it is not locked.